5 pencils and 7 pen together 50 rupees, whereas 7 pencils, 5 pens together cost 46 rupees. Find the cost of 1 pencil and 1 pen. So let with the cost of 1 pencil is equal to, you take x. Cost of 1 pen is equal to, you take it y. 1 you take x, 1 you take y. Pencil I am taking x, pen I am taking y. So here what is their equation? See, 5 pencils, 7 pens. Pencils means x, 5x. Pens means y, 7 pens. 5 pencils, 7 pens together cost how many rupees? 50 rupees. This is the first equation. Next, 7 pencils. 7 pencils means 7x. And 5 pens plus 5y is equal to how many rupees? 46 rupees. This is the second equation. 5x plus 7y is equal to 50 rupees. 5 pens, 7 pens is equal to 50 rupees. Next, 7 pencils plus 5 pens. 7x plus 5y is equal to 46. This is the second equation. So we will do the box and we will do the graph. First we will find. So this which graph? First one I will take 5x plus 7y is equal to 50. So how to take the numbers? X you have to take the number. Positive number also no problem. Negative number also no problem. But y answer also you want a number only. Positive or negative number. So I am taking here. See here. First one 5x plus 7y is equal to 50. X value I am taking 3. 5 into 3 plus 7y is equal to 50. 5 3 is 15 plus 7y is equal to 50. 7y is equal to 50. Take that side, minus 15. 7y is equal to 50 minus 15, 35. Y is equal to 35 into, after is equal to, it is a divide. 7 1 ja, 7 5 ja. Y is equal to 5. So x, y, xy. So x value how much you are taking? 3 taking. 3 taking means x value 3 taking means y answer how much came? 5. So 3, 5. Okay, this is the first answer came. Next, second one, see. 5x plus 7y is equal to 50. X value I am taking 10. 5 into 10 plus 7y is equal to 50. Slowly you do. 5 tens are 50 plus 7y is equal to 50. 50 send that side. 7y is equal to 50 minus 50. So 7y is equal to 50 minus 50, 0. Y is equal to 0 by 7. 0 by 7, what is the answer? It is 0 only. So 10 taking means you will get 0. So 10, 0, you write it. Next, what is the third equation? See, third one, 5x plus 7y is equal to 50. Next value I am taking minus 4. So 5 into minus 4 take plus 7y is equal to 50. 5 4 is how much? 20 plus 7y is equal to 50. 20 send that side. This is minus 20. Plus into minus, minus 20. 7y is equal to 50. Minus 10, 20 after is equal to plus 20. 7y is equal to 70. So y is equal to 70 by 7. 7 1 ja, 7 10 ja. So y is equal to 10. So this is which number you are taking? Minus 4 taking means what answer you got? 10. So what are the coordinates? Minus 4, 10 are the coordinates. So are you clear this one? Next we will do one more graph. One more graph, what is there? 7x plus 5y is equal to 46. We will do 7x plus 5y is equal to 46. Do the boxes. X, y, xy. First box, second box, third box we will take. So first number I am taking 3. 7x plus 5y is equal to 46. You think and take the numbers. Y means number taking means answer also you want number only. So I am taking x value 3 taking. Carefully listen. 3 taking means 3 into 3, 7 into 3 plus 5y is equal to 46. 7 3s are 21 plus 5y is equal to 46. Now see here, 5y is equal to 46. Take that side, minus 21. So 5y is equal to 6 minus 1, 5, 25. So y is equal to 25 into is there, after is equal to divide, 5 1 ja, 5 5 ja. So y answer how much? 5. 3 taking means 5. So what are the coordinates? 3 and 5 are the coordinates. Next I am taking 8. See here observe. 7x plus 5y is equal to 46. X value I am taking 8. 7 into 8 plus 5y is equal to 46. 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56 plus 5y is equal to 46. See here, 5y is equal to 46. Send that side, minus 56. 5y is equal to small number to big number minus, you will get minus. So 10 you will get. Y is equal to minus 10 by 5. 5 ones are 5 twos are. So y is equal to what? Minus 2. So this is 8 taking means this answer is minus 2. 8 minus 2 are the coordinates. Now next see here. One more number we will take. I am taking minus 2. See here. 7x plus 5y is equal to 46. X value I am taking minus 2. 7 into minus 2 plus 5y is equal to 46. See here, 7 to the 14. Which 14? Minus 14 plus 5y is equal to 46. See here, minus 14 send that side. 5y is equal to 46 plus 14. 46 plus 14. So 5y is equal to 6 plus 4, 10, 4, 5, 6. It will get 60. Y is equal to 60 by 5. 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10. What is the y answer? Y answer is the 12. Minus 2 taking means you will get 12. So minus 2, 12 you write the coordinates. So this 3 clear. So x axis this answers y, this one graph, this one graph. This is 5x plus 7y is equal to 50 graph. This is 7x plus 5y is equal to 46 graph. This one we will plot on the graph paper. So in exam time is there means these are all full solution. At least no time is there means you have to write this box. Now this one we will plot on the graph. Carefully see here. First x axis I will plot. First what is there? 3 5. Carefully listen. This is x dash, here y, and here I am taking y dash. So first we will plot what? 3 5. Carefully see here. Where is the 3? X axis, here 3. Where is the 5? Here 5. Carefully see here. 3 5 we will plot here. See here, we will take x axis 3, y axis 5. Right here 3 5. Next what is there? 10 0. Where is the 10? Here 10. 0 where is there? It will come here only. So right here 10 0. 0 10 will come on y axis. 10 0 will come on x axis. X axis 10, y axis 0 where is there? Here is there. So we will get 10 0. Next see here minus 4 10. Carefully see here. Minus 4 where is there? Here. X axis minus 4 here. 10 where is there? Here is there. So minus 4 move here, 10 move here. Where is they are meeting? Yes, here. Minus 4 10. So you put one dot properly. Right here minus 4 10. Minus 4 comma 10. Coordinates right here. 3 5 here, and next 10 0 here. Minus 4 10 here is there. So take scale, you join it. See here I am joining. Carefully join this one. Okay. Now joining. You do with pencil, but visible I am showing with the pen. See here. Put arrow mark, and here also arrow mark. Axis name what is there? 5x plus 7y is equal to 50. Right here 5x plus 7y is equal to 50. This first box, first line is over. Next see here, second line. What is there? 3 5. Where is there? 3 5. Already here is there 3 5. Next see here 8 minus 2. Carefully see here 8. X axis 8 where is there? Here is there. Minus 2 y axis where is there? Here is there. See y axis. X axis 8 here. Y axis minus 2 here. Where they will meet? Move. 8 also move. It will meeting point here is there. So right here 8 minus 2. Next third one what is there? Minus 2 12. Where is the minus 2 x axis? See where is the minus 2? It is here. Minus 2 and 12. 12 see here. Where is that 12? Here 12 is there. See carefully listen. Minus 2 move here, and where is the 12? Here 12. See here minus 2 and 12. Minus 2 and 12. Meeting point this one. Minus 2, 12. 3 dots. Which dot? This dot, this dot, this dot. 3, 5 and 8 minus 2 and minus 2, 12. So this joining, you have to join it. See here I am joining. Next one I will join with red pen. Carefully see here. No confuse here. These 3 dots I will join with red pen. See here. I am joining here. So here meeting point what is there? 3, 5 is the meeting point. Our x answer is 3, y answer is 5. Scale right here. Scale x axis 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter. Y axis 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter. You write it. So x axis 3, y axis is the 5. Here also write here. What is answer? 3, 5. So cost of 1 pencil 3 rupees. Cost of 1 pen 5 rupees.